It's Monday, May 1st, 2023. This is a special call board meeting, and it is 5:32 p.m. And this meeting has been called to order, and Paul Mastella is going to do the Pledge of Allegiance.
I pledge allegiance to the flag of the United States of America and to the republic for which it stands, one nation, under God, indivisible, with liberty and justice for all. Honor the Texas flag. I pledge allegiance to thee, Texas, one state under God, one and indivisible.
Thank you, Paul. Denise is going to read the board mission statement.
Tuloso Midway Independent School District educates every student to be a lifelong learner, a person of integrity, and a positive contributor to society.
Thank you, Denise. Do we have any public comments? Okay, the board is going to convene in closed session as authorized by the Texas Open Meetings Act to discuss items allowed by the Texas Government Code, Chapter 551.071 and 551.074, consultation with legal counsel regarding agreed resolution and action plan proposed by TEA in regards to complaint INV 2021-06-102 and matters related thereto. Discussion with legal counsel relating to notice of charge of discrimination regarding EEOC charge number 31C-2023-00170 and filed with the Texas Workforce Commission, Civil Rights Division, and matters related thereto. It is 5:33 and we are going into closed session. It is 6:43 p.m. on Monday, May 1st, 2023. We are back from closed session. We do have action that needs to take place after deliberation with legal on the discussion and action regarding agreed resolution and action plan proposed by TEA in regards to complaint number INV 2021-06-102. I move to approve the TEA agreed resolution and action plan as submitted to the district by TEA.
I will make the second on that proposed motion.
All those in favor? I can't see your hand. Okay, all right, thanks, Paul. None opposed, the motion carries 7-0. I am going to go ahead and read the agreed resolution and action plan from TEA. Agreed resolution actions. In a desire to conclude this matter without further delay and expense, the Texas Education Agency, the agency, and Tuloso Midway Independent School District, TMISD, agreed to resolve this matter by the terms of this agreed resolution and action plan. Now, therefore, it is the agreement of the agency and TMISD that 1. TMISD agrees that all current members of the Board of Trustees and Superintendent will collectively and simultaneously complete the Lone Star Governance 2-day workshop conducted by a TEA authorized LSG provider/coach as a team of 8 by August 15th, 2023. Number 2, TMISD will not offer the off-campus physical education PE course to the district students for the 2023 to 2024 school year. If this district does elect in the future to offer an off-campus PE course, the district will request TEA approval and comply with any TEA regulations and statutory requirements. Number 3, TMISD agrees to conduct a public hearing by August 15, 2023, wherein TMISD admits the following. 1. TMISD did not previously obtain approval from TEA for the off-campus PE course in question in accordance with the TMISD board policy and state law. And 2. TMISD did not previously offer the off-campus PE course to all students. Number 4, the Board of Trustees must hold a board meeting by August 15, 2023 place this agreed resolution and action plan on the agenda and discuss the terms of the agreed resolution and action plan prior to approving and signing. Number 5, TMISD agrees to adopt a written superintendent evaluation schedule in addition to the mandatory annual performance evaluation. Number 6, TMISD agrees to release this agreed resolution and action plan to the public by August 15th, 2023, upon request and without the district requesting from the Office of the Attorney General any exception to withhold the document. This stipulation does not waive the right for the district or the agency to request withholding of any other records or information associated with this matter. Number 7, TMISD agrees to comply with all provisions of the TEX.EDUC.code and the agency and/or Commissioner of Education rules, or the LEA will be subjected to further action by the agency. Number 8, TMISD agrees to fully cooperate with the agency's request for information and/or on-site inspections during the period that this agreement is in effect. Number 9, upon approval, the Commissioner of Education or the Commissioner's designee are authorized to sign this agreement on behalf of the agency. Agreements. By signing this agreed resolution and action plan, TMISD, 1, agrees with all terms, acknowledges understanding of all terms, and agrees that the LEA will satisfactorily comply with all the terms of this agreed resolution and action plan by the due dates prescribed above. Otherwise, no later than 1 year from the date this order is executed or be subject to additional enforcement action. Number 2, agrees, acknowledges, and understands that the LEA may be subject to a special investigation, corrective actions, or sanctions for any additional allegations of violations which are substantiated. Number 3, the LEA agrees to waive any right to any review before the Commissioner, any right to seek removal of modification of any intervention provided for in this matter, any right to judicial review of this agreed resolution and action plan, and any other procedural rights that might otherwise apply. Number 4, the LEA does not waive any rights to an informal review or any other rights enumerated in the Texas Education Code if, for any reason, the agency elects to reopen and formally investigate this matter. Number 5, the parties agree that this agreement is not subject to judicial review, does not create any rights not already described by law, and is solely interpreted by the Commissioner of Education. We, Mr. Stephen Van Matry and Ms. Kimberly Boone, have read and understand the foregoing agreed resolution and action plan. We understand that by signing this agreed resolution and action plan, the LEA waives certain rights. We sign it voluntarily, willingly, and knowingly on behalf of Tolosa Midway ISD. We understand there is no other agreement of any kind, verbal, written, or otherwise. Signed this first day of May 2023.
You want to sign it? Chrissy?
Yes, sir.
We did have discussion relating to the notice of charge of discrimination regarding EEOC charge number 31C-2023-00170 and filed with the Texas Workforce Commission, Civil Division, and matters related thereto. There is no action needed at this time by the board. And I think that is all our business for tonight.
That's all we have tonight. Thank you.
All right, do we have a motion to adjourn the
Motion that we
meeting?
adjourn.
Paul Mastella makes the motion to adjourn the meeting, and Janie seconds that. All those in favor? Any opposed? No. Motion carries 7-0. The future meeting is May 15th, 2023. That is a regular scheduled board meeting. It is 6:51 on May 1st, 2023, and this meeting is adjourned.